Hey guys, back again. It's like, I don't know, like 1 o'clock in the morning, guys. Literally 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm not even lying to you. Listen, yeah. You may not be able to hear me very well since I'll be whispering, obviously. But I swear to God, guys, this is the last one for today, okay? I won't make any more, okay? I'll just reborn today, yeah. It's seriously 3 pots in one day. What is wrong with me? So this is The Sounds of Nightmares, Chapter 1, Part 4, The Workers in the Walls. Sit back, relax, and drift off into my story. In a tight space, my dress got caught on the tooth of a massive gear. It pulled me up and around until my dress tore, shooting me onto a pipe below, where I lost my grip, only to hit a platform. The shadows stopped chasing me, working again as they yanked at the piece of my dress, now stuck between 2 gears, causing all the others to slow. While they were bothered, I took the chance to escape. The wall in front of me went down and around forever and ever, along with the mechanisms. I grabbed onto a rod, sliding on, when a big creak groaned from above, and the gears went right back to singing their song. The ripped fabric floated down before me, passing by a tiny crack in the stone. Painful cries came through it. I shouldn't have wanted to know what was on the other side, but I did. A small room with chains covering the floor, and 3 identical nun-like dresses, freshly pressed, hanging by a bed. Then the chains jangled, and my heart stopped. A frail body slumped against the wall, a chain around his neck. He was right in front of me, breathing hard. That's what I remember most. The awful smell, like when sausage goes bad. Hold on a minute, Noon. You distinctly smelt his breath? Not his breath. Him. So rotten it still stings my nose now. How certain are you? You told me to tell the truth, no? I am. Do you still want to hear the rest of my nightmare? Otto? Apologies. My mind was divided, and that's not fair to you. Anyways, looking through that crack, I realized something. I was inside the walls, like a rat. On the other side was an entire world, and everything got worse from there. Lower and lower I climbed until I'd gone down so deep that there was nothing but steam and darkness, and louder ticking back and forth, back and forth. Wanting to give up, I sat listening. I'd nearly fallen asleep when, inside a wall below, when suddenly a small shape crawled out from inside the wall below. Another worker came for me, I thought, but when they looked up, I saw their eyes. A child, for certain this time, and the hair was covered in goo, which made it hard to tell if they were a boy or a girl. Still, I climbed down, full of energy, nearly the amount I used to have. We stood in silence for a moment. Stuck in their hair was black liquid, moving like smoke. "What's in your hair?" I started, but they put a hand over my mouth. Not until they pointed at the wall did I understand. Why, it's another crack that led to yet another chamber. It was a hideous workshop. All around were half-made projects built from wood and metal, with all kinds of straps and cranks. Their shapes made my chest tighten. A collection of masks was on the shelves, with screws and spikes on them, positioned perfectly into a mouth. That is the end of The Sound of Nightmares, Chapter 1, Part 4, The Works and the Walls. Thank you for listening, and have a good rest of your night. And I need to get to bed. So tired. Well, good night and good luck.